to our 14 days adventure across Xinjiang, a land of vast skies and wild stories. Today we shall visit the Gold City, located some 100 kilometers to the Karamay city in Xinjiang, China, a city that is rich in oil and history. On our way to the Gold City, we saw some camels in the desert. Camels were used to carry heavy loads in the Silk Road trade. Remember to bring hats or umbrellas and a bottle of mineral water. It is very hot in the Gold City. The best time to visit to avoid the extreme heat is from April to June or from September to November. Do you know why they call it as a gold city? They call it a gold city for a reason. When the wind rushes through the rocks, it cries, long, lonely, just like spirits drifting in the night. It was once a freshwater lake, but now only rocks formed by the Gobi Desert wind and time. The famous movie Crouching Tiger, Hidden Dragon was filmed here. It's a world of mystery. Look closer. The rocks come alive. An elephant, a lion, a camel, or whatever your imagination decides. That's the end of our Gold City tour. Click the above video to watch the beautiful Heavenly Lake, a UNESCO heritage site in Xinjiang. If you want to know more about Xinjiang's largest livestock market, click this video above. See you in my next Xinjiang video. Click subscribe, like and comment.